You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have the first mystery box of the new year for you. And in this mystery box, we are getting another new cutie. I know, this is the fourth box in a row that we've had a new cutie color in, which is super exciting. And this mystery box is called Mirrorball Joy, which I'm pretty sure Mirrorball is disco ball, right? Disco ball. So this cutie is called Limeade. So let's go ahead and take a peek at Limeade. Oh, he's almost neon. He's almost fluorescent. This is Limeade. So he is a green yellow, and he looks more yellow in camera here. In person, he's almost like a muted neon, yellowish green. So this is Limeade Cutie. I'll go ahead and pop up here a comparison so you can see him next to other cuties. He's not as bright as the neon, much lighter, but yeah, and let's check out what else is in the box. Now this is Cricut Joy Box. So things that are smart are gonna go in your Joy mat list, but you can use this no matter what machine you have just by putting it on a mat, which is great because then you can use all the materials in the box, whether you have a Joy or not. First up, ooh, this is cool. Ooh, I love me some patterned iron-on. So we're getting some smart iron-on. This is the Naturewalk basic sampler. So there's actually 3 different patterns in here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. And each sheet's gonna be 5.5 by 12 inches, and you're gonna get 3 of those. We got the arrows there. Then we have this one with the leaves. And then we have this one, which is like a herringbone, which goes so good. It goes so good in my bathroom. But these look so good with like the boho trend. You can even do the modern farmhouse with these. So much. This actually looks like it matches my bathroom really good. And then we are getting some more smart patterned iron-on, and this is in the Bloom Pink Sampler. Okay, so again, these will all be the same size, 5.5 by 12. We are getting this with the pink floral. Then we're getting pink background with the white floral. And then we have this beautiful one here with that. And you're getting all 3 of those, which are really pretty. And think, not only can you use these separate, but you can go ahead and use these, if you're doing a bigger project too, you can use these all together on a project. It'd be super pretty. But really pretty too to make, not only can you make apparel and stuff, think home decor. When your decor matches this, it'd be very pretty. And we are getting 10 feet. So a big roll of the silver permanent glossy smart vinyl. A bunch you can do with 10 feet worth of silver. Then we are getting, and I know it's the new year and everybody like has resolutions, and I know a lot of people like to get more organized. So labels are great for that, right? Because labels help us get organized. Well, this is smart label, but these are dissolvable. So you can go ahead and put those, say, on food containers is one thing that hugely comes to mind. Food containers with leftovers, you can go ahead and mark the dates, and then you go ahead and put your dishes in the water, and the soap and the water dissolve the labels actually. They just dissolve, which is awesome. And another big thing of vinyl. Now this is going to be removable matte vinyl, and this is in the vivid blue. But again, this is 10 feet. So these are 5.5 inches by 10 feet. And again, smartless. It's smartless. No, it is smart. So you can use it matteless on the Joy, or you can just put it on a mat for the other machines. And also, when you think movable, I have hibiscuses on the side of my car, and it's the middle of winter, and I have hibiscuses that I did with removable vinyl that I put on in the summer, and they are still doing great. So sometimes people think removable is like it lasts still really good, guys. So I'm going to test that and see how long my hibiscuses last, but so far not a single one is peeling at all. My husband was like, are you going to leave those on your car in the winter? I'm like, I am, because I'm going to see how long they last, and they just make me happy and bring me joy anyway, so why would I take them off? Okay, next up, oh, this stuff is pretty. This is vinyl. Now this is permanent, and this is called the thread. So you get this really pretty, the holographic threads going through there. That is gorgeous. And you're gonna get 5.5 inch by 48 inches of this. And we're getting, this is probably like my daughter's favorite color. This is light pink permanent glossy smart vinyl. So 5.5 inches by 48 inches of the beautiful, that's just gorgeous pink. So much you can do. And it's so in. All those coquette projects, all those bow projects, all of that. So stinking cute with that. And we're getting a roll of gold. So we're going to have gold, smart vinyl, permanent glossy. And some smart iron-on. So that's 5.5 by 24 inches. And this is in carrot color. So it is a bright orange. It's literally a perfect, it looks a little like more muted or more brown in my camera, but it's perfect. It's a perfect carrot orange color for sure. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Now this is like a mirror ball. This is permanent smart vinyl, but look at it. Isn't that pretty? So this smart vinyl is crystal smart vinyl. And that's why you have that beautiful, it's like a mirror ball. It's like a disco ball, isn't it? And the color is party pink, which that is my favorite pink color from Cricut. So this is gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So sparkly and beautiful. Man, you could put these together on something too and just make it ultra magical. Ultra magical. Because sparkle iron-on. Yay. Well, glitter iron-on. It's glitter iron-on, and this is in the Aqua. But isn't that beautiful? You get 5.5 by 19 inches of this. That's a sparkly goodness. So that's everything that's in Cricut's Mirrorball Joy mystery box. And because we got our cutie, our Limeade Cutie, you do have to be a Cricut Access member to not to join. You have to be a Cricut Access member to purchase. But there are links below in the video description that not only can you purchase the box, but you can go ahead and join Access and see the benefits of Access subscription. Also, we greatly appreciate when you guys use those links. And our links will never come at any added cost to you. Oh, and the cost of the box is US $49.99, $69.99 Canadian. Oh, but that's before your Access discount. And you know what else we always have in our links below? Giveaways! And it's a new year, so we started the new year off with actually 2 giveaways. Which is kind of 3. So in the links below, first up, we are giving away a Cricut Joy Extra to one member of our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. And that giveaway, guys, is just open for 2 more days until the 8th. So make sure you enter that. In our giveaways, you can enter up to 10 times per day. So don't miss on that. And we have another giveaway where 2 winners are going to win $75 to spend at Cricut.com. And that one is going to the end of January. So both of our giveaways, you can enter up to 10 times per day. Just make sure you get the hashtag correct when posting in the group. That is what's different. So the hashtag for the Joy Extra will be hashtag Melody Lane Joy Extra giveaway. And then if you want to enter the one for the $75 to spend at Cricut, you'll just do hashtag Melody Lane giveaway. So just make sure you have your 2 different hashtags. But figure a great way to start a new year is to bring somebody some extra joy so they're getting a Joy Extra. Yay, and thank you, Cricut. These are Cricut sponsored giveaways. So thank you to Cricut for allowing us to bring these to you and these mystery box reveals. And thank you guys for an awesome 2025. We couldn't do it without you guys. The likes, the comments, all of that things. I know I always say that, but you guys have no idea how appreciative we are for those. And you guys are always so nice in the comments. So thank you for that, because sometimes people aren't. I mean, there's been some mean ones and we have to delete, but you guys are usually nice. So thank you guys. And you always find links below for the current Cricut sale too. So you can go ahead and check out what is on sale that week. And Access members, it is a new quarter. So that means there's a new quarterly discount code. So the discount code now is winter10. That's all one word. That's going to give you $10 off and free shipping, but it is one-time use only. Don't forget to use it. Thank you guys so much for joining. We greatly, greatly appreciate it. Oh, and also in the links below, I'm going to put a link to join our email list. Now our email list, we will send out an email whenever one of these mystery boxes go live. That way you will get a thing, hey, mystery box is out, sales, giveaways, all of those things. So go ahead and sign up for our newsletter so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. So hope you guys all have a fantastic 2026. Can't wait to bring you more crafty fun and see what else in new cuties await, right? In the comments below, put what color cutie would you like to see that we haven't seen yet? Or an idea of one. I really want to see what you guys think. I have a ton in my mind. So until next time, friends, happy crafting, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.